Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Friends, some days I not make a video because I search for some application that are make for me some money. I found nothing in any application that pay me. That's all fake. That's all fake applications. Okay, don't use any application for this, like these applications. It's not pay you. Okay, now come on, today I will give you one application that is completely premium. It's pro application. Okay, this application name is AVG Cleaner. Okay, let's see this quick clean. No ads in this application. It's completely free. Okay bro, I told you don't install any money making app. That's all fake applications. It's show only own ads and waste your time. It's waste my 3-4 days. Okay, when I found a good application for making money, I will give you. I install many applications and they not pay me any money. Okay, to download this application AVG Cleaner, go to my description and click the link. Download this premium app. It's full free. Okay, if you like my video, you subscribe my channel, share with friends, and like my video, and comment in my comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.